Spring is here, and it's the perfect time to get your garlic garden started. Growing garlic is an easy and rewarding process, and today we'll take you step by step through planting your own garlic. Step 1. Preparing your garlic. The first thing you need to do is prepare your garlic for planting. You want to store your garlic in the fridge for about a week before planting. This will help simulate the winter chill, allowing the garlic to develop strong roots. The garlic that I put in the fridge has been separated into cloves. In order to do this, all you have to do is gently break apart the garlic bulb, keeping the papery skins on each clove intact. You'll want to use the biggest cloves as they'll give you the healthiest, largest bulbs in the fall. During the breaking bulb process, make sure to handle the garlic carefully to avoid bruising, as damaged cloves may not grow as well. Step 2. Preparing the planting area. Now that your garlic is ready, it's time to prepare the planting area. Choose a sunny spot in your garden with well-drained soil. Garlic prefers loose, fertile soil, so make sure the area has good drainage and is rich in organic matter. Use a shovel to rake or break up any compacted soil. If your soil is heavy clay, consider adding some compost or sand to improve the drainage. A raised bed works great too, as it helps prevent water logging. Step 3 is covering the area with garden fabric. Garden fabric is a fantastic tool to keep weeds at bay and provide extra warmth to the soil. Cover your planting area with a good garden fabric. This fabric will help keep the soil temperature consistent and reduce competition from weeds, making sure your garlic gets all the nutrient it needs. Step 4. Burning holes in the garden fabric. Next, you'll need to burn small holes in the fabric where you will plant your garlic cloves. To do this, carefully use a propane torch to melt the fabric. This creates clean, round holes that won't fray or tear, allowing your garlic to be planted right into the soil. Make sure you don't burn too many holes, just enough for the garlic cloves to fit in comfortably. About 4 to 6 inches apart should do the trick. Step 5. Poking holes in the soil. To plant your garlic cloves, you'll need to make holes in the soil. You don't need anything fancy. Just a stick you find in your yard will work perfectly. Gently poke a hole about 2 inches deep for each garlic clove. Make sure the hole is deep enough to accommodate the clove with a pointed end facing up. This will give your garlic the best chance to grow tall and strong. Step number 6. Planting the garlic. Now it's time to plant the garlic. Place each garlic clove in the hole with the flat side down and the pointed side up. Make sure the cloves are spaced about 4 to 6 inches apart. This gives them room to grow without overcrowding. When I planted my garlic, I encountered some difficulties in planting the cloves into the ground. The reason is that the holes in the garden fabric were too small. I intentionally made them small to prevent weeds from growing between the garlic plants. As you can see in this part of the video, I was trying to stick my finger into the garden fabric hole to create a larger hole for garlic planting. Later on, I picked up a piece of stick from the path of my garden, and it kind of helped in making the hole and also covering the clove with soil after I planted it in the ground. Although getting the garlic cloves in the ground in this style of planting has some challenges, I believe that in the long run, this is very beneficial because then I will not have to pull weeds from my garlic garden bed. Step number 7, watering the garlic. After planting, give your garlic a good watering. Make sure the soil is evenly moist but not soggy. Garlic doesn't like to sit in waterlogged soil, so make sure it drains well. Watering helps settle the soil around the cloves, and it ensures they won't dry out as they start to take root. For my setup, I used a water hose to water the garlic beds. Planting garlic in your garden is a very rewarding process. After about 2 weeks from planting your garlic cloves, you should start seeing more small green shoots poking up through the soil. This is a good sign that your garlic is taking root and beginning to grow. At this stage, be sure to keep the soil moist but avoid overwatering. You don't want the garlic to become waterlogged, especially with the warmer weather ahead. In the coming weeks, your garlic will grow tall and you'll see more shoots developing. Just be patient and continue to care for it by watering when needed and keeping an eye out for any weeds. Soon enough, you'll have your very own garlic harvest. Growing garlic in the spring is simple and straightforward, and with a little time and care, you'll be able to enjoy homegrown garlic all season long. Thanks for joining us today. Happy gardening!